Okay. Now, our first project in our woodshed, our wood shop, is going to be by Miss Carly. And she's going to make something for her mommy. What are you going to make?
A bird stand.
All right. Well, you got your wood?
Yep.
Okay, now show me what it's going to look like first. Okay. All right. So what are you going to do? You're going to
put this right here.
There you go.
And tell it that's all the way. So we're going to make it a little bit higher. Okay. Just loosen it a little. I'm just going to loosen it a little so to put it like a little bit far back.
Okay.
It's like that.
Now we need to, what do we need to do?
Where did you go?
Need to put a hole in the middle of it?
Yeah.
Alright, hang on a minute. Alright. Getting ready to drill a hole in the center of it, kind of like. Pull the trigger. There you go. Go all the way through?
Yeah.
Okay, turn it on again. Pull the trigger again. Alrighty.
Wait, it's little.
Now, well, that's okay.
Oh, this is...
I know, that'll be alright. That'll be alright. Now, what do we need to do? What do we need to do?
Put the screw in.
Okay. Alright, so now we need to get the drill set up so we can put that screw in there.
Yep.
Okay. Hang on, Tater. Let me hold this back here. And you see if you can't screw that all the way through there.
Oh
And not get my hand. You're alright. Push down real hard on it. There you go.
Is it in?
Not all the way. Let Daddy. Here, you hold this on that. Let Daddy finish it up here for you. There you go. Is that what you was wanting?
Yep.
Well, how are you going to make it stand up? Do we need another board?
We need another board to sit.
Okay, let's go outside and we'll find us another board in the wood pile, okay? Bring that with us. Okay, now we're going to put the feeder part on the bird stand thingamabob.
The bird stand, which the birds are going to stand on, which is going to be a circle part.
Okay. Alright.
So, this is what, so we're going to put a bull right here, then bird feed right here, then the pool right here, like the pool right beside the bird feed.
Okay. Well, you're going to have to drill a hole in there to put it on this right here.
Can we put it in the middle?
Yep, put it right in the middle. Hang on. Let Daddy help you a little bit here. Put him back right there. Okay. Hit the trigger. Wait. Okay. Now do it. Try it again. Don't push real hard. Don't push real hard. Alright. That's good. Now pull the trigger. There you go. There you go. Okay, do you have a screw put through that? Here, why don't we just use this one right here? Huh?
I've been thinking because this one's bigger than it.
Oh, so you want to use the bigger one?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let me get the bit. All right, now here we go.
Oh my gosh. I'm turning up it.
Huh?
I'm turning it up.
Go straight. Put it on your straight. Well, you got to get it in the little thing. There you go. There you go. You're doing all right. You'll get him. There you go.
Give you the rest.
Okay.
I'll videotape you.
Okay, you videotape me.
Okay, here we go. Here goes my dad.
There you go.
Thank you. Woohoo! Show it to it. Show it to them. Here we go.
Okay, now hold it up, Carly. Now what is that for?
Birds.
Okay, who'd you make it for?
Birds.
Did you
So
make?
birds can stand right here. There's
Okay.
going to be a pool right here. Then the bowl.
Mm-hmm.
So the birds can stand right here and eat.
Okay, who you gonna give it to?
Birds.
You gonna give it to birds? I thought you were gonna give it to your mommy.
I'm going to give it to my mommy.
Okay, goober. All right. I guess that concludes our project for tonight.
We have some more to it.
Goodbye.